Imagine waking up one morning and telling yourself, I have to go to India, without a tour, with the least amount of money possible. That's exactly what we do. India has always seemed strange to me. Crowded, colorful, full of stories and different religions. But everyone said don't go. They said it's dangerous. It's really dirty. People who travel to India alone have a really hard time. Don't even think about going without an agency and all that. Their hotels are terrible, but I only wanted one thing, a real life experience. So I just started searching around the cheapest tickets, the safest places, cheap transportation, the most budget-friendly way to travel. I wrote and wrote. I read and read. I consulted with people who had been to India, and finally I planned my trip. Delhi, Jaipur, Agra, Haridwar, Rishikesh, with empty pockets all the way to the Taj Mahal. Here are some videos from a real trip. It's not an ad and it's not luxury. I'll show you everything. How do we plan a trip? How do we manage our expenses? How do we book accommodation? Which places are really worth visiting? Which places should we skip? Our mistakes, our fears, our prices, and absolutely everything else you could possibly need for meticulously planning your upcoming trip. If you've always wanted to travel but think you need a lot of money, or you don't know how to travel without a tour or agency, this video series is for you. In the next episode, I want to talk about trip planning. If you're interested in this topic, please subscribe so we can continue this journey together with an empty pocket.